Are you tired of spending your weekends skimming leaves and scrubbing the pool floor? If so, it's time to consider a robot pool cleaner. These innovative devices take the hassle out of pool maintenance, allowing you to relax and enjoy your sparkling oasis. In this video, we'll explore the best robot pool cleaners on the market today, highlighting their features, efficiency, and what to look for when selecting the perfect model for your needs. Dive in and discover how to make pool upkeep effortless. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Aiper Seagull SE, our find for best budget robot pool cleaner. If you're searching for an affordable robotic pool cleaner that offers reliable performance without breaking the bank, the Aiper Seagull SE is your answer. This compact device excels at removing pollen and small debris, making it an ideal companion for your pool maintenance routine. While it efficiently tackles smaller particles, be aware that it may require some assistance with larger debris, like clumps of leaves. Designed to work seamlessly in both in-ground and above-ground pools, the cordless feature of the Aiper Seagull SE sets it apart. With a rapid charging time of just 2.5 hours, you can spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your pool. Using the Aiper Seagull SE is straightforward. Simply place it in the water using its convenient built-in handle, and when it has completed its task, you can easily retrieve it with the included hook. Its quiet operation allows you to relax nearby without disruption as it diligently cleans. When it comes to upkeep, the Aiper Seagull SE makes it easy. Just open the filter, dispose of the collected debris, and rinse it off. While you may need to empty the filter a couple of times for larger messes, this effort ensures your pool remains sparkling and inviting. With the Aiper Seagull SE, maintaining a clean pool is a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your outdoor oasis. Number 4. Dolphin E10, our find for best robot pool cleaner for above-ground pools. If you're searching for the ultimate solution to keeping your above-ground pool sparkling clean, the Dolphin E10 robot pool cleaner is here to elevate your maintenance routine. Weighing just 6.6 kilograms, this corded electric cleaner combines efficiency with ease of use, making your pool care effortless. One of the standout features of the Dolphin E10 is its active scrubbing brush. This innovative tool takes the hard work out of pool cleaning, ensuring your pool's surfaces are thoroughly cleaned while being gentle enough to protect them. You can trust that debris won't stand a chance against its powerful cleaning action. With the user-friendly top-load filter basket, maintaining a clear pool has never been easier. You can quickly remove and clean the filters, ensuring your water remains crystal clear for a refreshing swim whenever you desire. The Dolphin E10's plug-and-play system simplifies the cleaning process. Just plug it in, lower it into your pool, and turn it on. Within just 1.5 hours, you'll have a spotless pool ready for enjoyment. Smart navigation technology gives you peace of mind as it intelligently scans your pool, optimizing its cleaning path for maximum efficiency. No matter the shape or surface of your pool, the Dolphin E10 adapts to ensure an exceptional clean, letting you focus on enjoying your time in the water. Still searching for the perfect robot pool cleaner? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. AIPER Scuba S1, our find for best robot pool cleaner for wall and waterline cleaning. If you're tired of the relentless task of cleaning your pool, the AIPER Scuba S1 robot pool cleaner could be the solution you've been searching for. This user-friendly device is designed to make pool maintenance as effortless as possible, allowing you to enjoy more leisure time. With a setup that takes just 5 minutes, you can quickly launch into your cleanup routine and get back to what you enjoy most. The Scuba S1 goes beyond mere floor cleaning. It adeptly climbs walls and manages steps, scrubbing away dirt and debris just like a dedicated pool attendant. With 4 versatile cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you have the flexibility to tailor the cleaning to fit your schedule and lifestyle. If sustainability is important to you, the Eco mode conserves energy while still providing a thorough clean every other day. You won't need to deal with cords that get in your way anymore. This cordless cleaner weighs only 20.9 pounds and effectively handles pools up to 1,600 square feet, operating for an impressive 150 minutes on a single charge. Although it doesn't skim the surface, its intelligent navigation and robust filtration system guarantee sparkling clean water with minimal effort. Embrace a more carefree pool experience with the AIPER Scuba S1, where your time is spent enjoying the water, not maintaining it. Number 2. Beatbot AquaSense Pro, our find for best robot pool cleaner for large pools. If you're looking for a reliable pool cleaner that effectively tackles dirt, debris, and those annoying leaves, the Beatbot AquaSense Pro may be the solution you need. Designed to keep your 12,000-gallon pool sparkling clean, this exceptional vacuum has undergone 6 months of rigorous testing to prove its capability. With an impressive 5-hour battery life, the AquaSense Pro efficiently scrubs the floor, climbs walls, and addresses the grimy waterline, all while effortlessly floating to skim the surface of your pool. You won't have to worry about cloudy water either, as it can deploy a clarifying agent with the optional kit, offering an enhanced cleaning experience. While monitoring when it finishes its cleaning cycle might take some getting used to, the AquaSense Pro floats back up, navigates to the edge, and notifies you through a smartphone app when it's done. It also features a skimming mode, perfect for those times when leaves and bugs threaten to disrupt your enjoyment. Though it may be a little pricier than other models, the performance and convenience it offers make the AquaSense Pro a worthwhile investment for your pool maintenance. With this robust cleaner by your side, you can dive into a pristine swimming environment and enjoy your time in the water without the hassle of constant maintenance. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, our find for best robot pool cleaner overall. If you find yourself spending more weekends cleaning your pool than enjoying it, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the solution you've been looking for. This innovative robot pool cleaner is designed to take the hassle out of pool maintenance, allowing you to relax while it handles the dirty work. With its straightforward plug-and-play setup, you simply connect the 60-foot cord, place the Nautilus CC Plus in your pool, and start the cleaning cycle with just the push of a button. No matter the shape of your pool, be it round, rectangular, or uniquely shaped, the Nautilus CC Plus is equipped to scrub every inch clean in only 2 hours. Utilizing the My Dolphin Plus app, you can effortlessly schedule cleaning sessions from anywhere, allowing you to enjoy your time by the water without worrying about debris. The Nautilus CC Plus is built for efficiency, featuring dual scrubbing brushes that effectively tackle dirt and leaves. When it's time to clean the filter, you can easily rinse it under a hose, switching it back to action in no time. Weighing 35 pounds might make lifting it out of the pool a slight workout, but its convenient handle ensures you can manage it easily. With the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus at your service, you can reclaim your weekends for leisure and enjoyment, transforming your pool into a true oasis. Why spend your time scrubbing when you could be soaking up the sun? That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which robot pool cleaner you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.